Hello, hello, hey, beautiful people. Happy Monday morning. My name is Foster. As always, I am here with
Alexia. Hi.
Hey, Alexia, and hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Inglês no Rádio.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! How are you doing today, Alexia?
I'm feeling very Portuguese today.
You are feeling very Portuguese.
Yeah, yesterday it was the very first time that I voted in this country.
You voted in this country
Yeah.
as a Portuguese citizen.
Yeah.
Okay. Who'd you vote for?
We don't say that, but of course I voted for Marcelo. It was very interesting. It's completely different than Brazil. Here is everything is on paper. You just do an X next to the person that you want to vote for and put inside of huge box, and that's it.
Do you know how we call the piece of paper?
Ballot.
A ballot. Yes.
Do you know why I know that?
Not sure.
Because of the last USA's elections.
The last U.S. election?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone was saying, like, make sure that you have your ballot mailed for you because these elections will be very different. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Yeah. I forget that the whole entire world pays attention to American politics, but we don't have to anymore. Woohoo! Okay, so today, Alexia, this week, we are not talking about politics, but we are talking about another word that begins with P.
Pronunciation.
No.
What?
I was thinking of pumpkin pie. Yes, this week on the show, we are talking about probably my favorite subject to talk about, at least in terms of language. Pronunciation.
Say it again.
Pronunciation.
Pronunciation. Yeah.
Okay. So here is the deal. We have talked about pronunciation many, many times on this show before. You can check out all of the episodes. We've talked about a lot of the basics, the fundamentals of pronunciation, why we think pronunciation is probably, if not definitely, the most important part of language learning. And this week, we are opening our biggest and best course, Sound School.
Yes.
To, I believe, 15 new students.
Yeah, guys. Sound School is open again. I'm very happy about it.
Super excited. It has been a while, and it's always one of my favorite things to do. So today, Alexia, are you ready to be the guinea pig?
I mean, every day, right? Yes, but today we are talking about a sound that I am definitely not good at.
Okay. Well, don't beat yourself up.
No, but I already know that.
Okay, great. So, Alexia, where to begin? Can you just try to say the word color for me?
You want to say cor, right?
Cor.
Color.
Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. One more time. Try to repeat with me very slowly. Color.
Color. Color.
Not bad. Color. So, Alexia, what is your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue.
Yeah. And kind of green as well. Not verde bandeira, not that open green, but the dark green, like the military green.
Military?
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes we say hunter green.
Ooh,
or
okay.
Forest green.
We have Buddy, so it makes sense.
Okay, so Alexia, especially when she is speaking fast, she has the tendency, instead of saying this sound, you have the tendency to replace it with an aw sound. So instead of saying color, you say collar.
And what I'm saying instead is the coleira, right?
Yes. So listen very closely and see if you can perceive the difference between these two words. Color, cor, collar, coleira.
Uh-huh.
And this is really tricky because coleira in Portuguese, you start with the co. But in English, we say collar with a very open sound. Okay? So try to say these two after me. Color.
Do it slower.
Color.
No, say the first one and then I'll repeat it.
Okay, who's the teacher here today? Color.
Color.
Okay, no, the first one. Color. Let's do it a little bit more slowly. Color. Color. Okay, now the second word. Ka. So say vem cá.
Color.
Okay, so what is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
Blue is my favorite color. So hard.
It is extremely, extremely hard. Okay, let's move to a different set of words. This is perhaps one of the most commonly mispronounced words. It is extremely difficult for 99% of Brazilians. The word country. Okay. This is more or less the same thing. So a lot of times I hear students saying country or country, some version of aum. And I hear you do a similar thing sometime. So say country. Okay, great. Country. Okay, what colors are there on your country's flag?
What colors are there on your country's flag?
Color. Country. Okay, now let's put in one more word. Alexia, can you say for me in English? Cebola.
I know. Onion.
Okay. Onion. Okay, so repeat very closely with me. Yun. Okay, nice. So you have the y sound. Y. Yun. Onion. Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
E meu próprio negócio.
Own. Okay. Own. Okay. How to think about this?
Own business.
Okay. So we have the word own, which is my own possession, right? And then we have the word on, which is encima. So try to repeat with me, Alexia. Own. Okay, you're starting the sound to open, which means your tongue position is too low and too far back in your mouth. So do this exercise with me. Start with the ah sound. Ah. And move that to the oo sound. Ah, oo.
Ah, oo.
Ah, oo.
Ah, oo.
No. I love just making people do crazy sounds sometimes. Okay, so now try O. Now ah. O. Ah. Can you understand what is happening in your mouth when you say O?
Well, my tongue didn't move at all for both.
It is very difficult to understand what your tongue is doing in your mouth because we cannot see our tongue, but I promise you, it is moving. When you make different vowel sounds, almost all the time, your tongue is moving. So when you say O.
Oh.
So your tongue is more or less in the middle of your mouth, and then you are making a circle with your lips. O.
Oh.
And then when you say ah, your tongue is back. But it's very unnatural if I say push your tongue down and back, because you don't see your tongue, but what you will see is your mouth is opening more because of your tongue position. So when I say on, my mouth opens a lot more than when I say own. Okay, so can we try this? Own.
On.
On. Perfect. So when you say own, your mouth is not opening as much. And when you say on, your mouth is opening a lot more. Own, on.
On.
There we go. Nice. Own,
Okay.
on.
So, at my own house, there are keys on the table.
Yes. At my own house, there are keys on the table.
Okay.
Okay. Alexia, one more time. Can you tell me what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Can you say, my favorite color is blue?
My favorite color. Oh.
My favorite color.
My favorite color is blue.
Okay, Alexia, how do you feel?
Not good. It was perfect. My good was perfect.
Yes, your pronunciation is excellent. So,
So you would say that I had to go back to week, I don't remember which week is, from sound school.
Week 5,
Yes.
where we were talking about the schwa sound, for example, in color. And in week 11, we talk about the final M and N sounds in words like onion, own, on, which is very important for you. But to be honest, Alexia, we have been together for 5 years, and your English has improved dramatically. You speak beautifully. Your
Thank
English
you.
is wonderful. But there are still a handful of sounds and words that you have a really hard time with.
Yeah.
And I think it's time we address those and we do it live on the show.
Okie dokie.
Okay, so we will see you tomorrow with more pronunciation training, more favorite colors, more onions. And if you are interested in putting yourself through this torture, you can sign up for Sound School.
Yes, go to inglesnocru.com.
Inglesnocru.com. As always, keep up the good fight.
And lose well. Perfect lose. Pronunciation here.
See you guys tomorrow.
Bye.